Now we can do things with that image, like we can get image data. We can find out about that. So RGB, if it's a JPEG, it's going to be RGB. If it's a PNG, it might be a portable network graphics. It might be RGBA. So that allows you to find out important things about that image. So that you could use the image format. This is useful because it helps you understand the compression and the colors and how that image is put together. The number of pixels, right? And then RGB is the mode of that. So if I want to say print image dot size, that's an attribute of the image object. Okay. So now let's get this out of the way. This is the image size. What's the data type of the image size? Anybody remember what this is called when you have multiple multiple numbers in a set of parentheses like that? It represents the resolution. That's right. But what kind of data type is that? If I have in parentheses 1920 and 1273, it's not a list. It's not a dictionary. It is a. Remember, we use it sometimes to keep your food fresh. Tuple, right? Yeah. So this is a tuple. So when you print this, it prints it like this. If you wanted to just access the width of the image, it's the first number. So you would have to use the index for just that number, which we would use like this. And now see, it just prints that first one. So that's how I would read that particular aspect of the image. Okay. And the image mode is going to be a string. Okay. I could keep it from showing there. If I want to though, like if I open a PNG, let's take a look at that. Okay, so the image mode for a PNG file, like I said, RGBA, because PNG has alpha transparency. So it has 4 channels per pixel or 4 numbers per pixel. Okay, so I can open different images and do different things with them that way. So that is how we get image information.